Hey, what's up, Francisco? Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that we can actually apply to your site. These three things will actually help you get on that first page, so we can actually bring those leads coming in off that first page of Google. So the first thing I'm actually going to run over is content. I know that your site is under construction right now, but really taking enough content. I like to be around 15, maybe 2,000 words on that first page. That way we can actually layer in those all those keywords, and those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here. I put in a janitorial service San Diego right inside of Google. This is what you're going to see. You got this little map section at the very top. You can actually go inside this thing. A bunch of businesses competing to get to the very top, this GMB or Google My Business, whatever you want to call it. And to get to the very top, you're going to be dealing with all these things called citations. Citations are just online business directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally, what you'd want to do is come in, go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms, whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all that work that you did in this listing. Underneath that map pack, we have where all that organic traffic happens right there on the first page of Google. And to be found right here on that first page, we're going to be dealing with all that content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link for multiple different websites, linking right back to yours. All it's doing is really drawing power from those other sites so you can get on that first page of Google. Kind of give you an idea, I took your URL and put it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets people like me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got 14 keywords, 30 referring domains, 46 backlinks. You're missing the traffic, and you can actually come in and see what keywords you're actually ranked for. So you got Allen Janitorial, Wepa Images, Wepa Commercial Cleaning San Diego. There's a keyword right there. You got 30 clicks a month coming from that one keyword. There's 30 clicks from that keyword, but you're missing the traffic because you're 92nd position. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is a ECS Cleaning, whatever. I put them inside of Ahrefs as well. And here's their keywords, their position, and also the traffic that they're getting from each keyword as well. So Janitorial Service San Diego, first position, they got 46 clicks coming out of the 150. Janitorial Services San Diego, CA, there's another 30 clicks. San Diego Janitorial Service, 80 clicks. Janitorial Service San Diego, CA, another 30 clicks. So coming in, finding all these keywords that's just going to help you drive more and more traffic, but also we got to make sure we do those proper backlinks so we can get on that first page and draw in a decent percent coming from each keyword that we actually go after. Anyway, I hope this all made sense, because I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Later.